Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to our mathematics class. My dear students, we have started chapter number 3, that is data handling. In that, we have learned how to collect data, how to organize data. After that, we have learned about how to find out mode, median, right, my dear students? And also we have learned about how to find out range and arithmetic mean. In the last session, we have learned about how to draw bar graph, double bar graph and triple bar graph also. Right, my dear students? So now, in today's class, we are going to cover the last point from this chapter, that is concept 3.9, chance and probability. So are you ready for that? Yes, very good. So in today's class, we are going to learn about what is chance and what is probability. So now we will start. Let us see in the introduction part. Here, can you see the both sentences? Like that, so many sentences daily we will talk, right? For example, I think India will win the match, or maybe it will rain today, right? In a day-to-day life, we are talking like this so much sentences. So now, let's think about this. The first sentence is the sun coming up from the west, right? The sun coming up from the west. Is it? Is it possible? All right. Now, the next, an ant growing to 3-meter height. Okay? Okay, now we are going to discuss on that sentences. Alright? Now, the third number is, if you take a cube of larger volume, its side will also be larger. Now, the fourth one is, if you take a circle with a larger area, then its radius will also be larger. And the last one is India winning the next test series, right? So like that, normally we are talking so much sentences. Okay, so from the 5 sentences, is it all the sentences are possible? No, right? From that, some sentences are possible, but some are not. So what are they? Let's see. If we look at the statements given, you will say that the sun coming up from the west is impossible, as well as an ant growing to 3 meter is also not possible, right? Is it possible? The height of the ant is 3 meter. No, it is not possible. On the other hand, while we can say if the circle of a larger area, it is certain that it will have a larger radius. We say that same about the larger volume of the cube and the larger side, and India can win the next test series or lose it, both are possible. So whenever we are talking, from that some are possible and some are not possible. So this only related to chance. So we are going to learn about chance and probability, no student? So first we will talk about the chance. What is the chance? The chance is occurrence. Okay? The chance is occurrence of the event in the absence of any obvious intention or cause. It is simply the possibility of something happening. Okay, it is what? Simply the possibility of something is happening. What is going to happen? That only the possibility. Possibility is called as a chance. For example, we can take example when we throw a dice, no? What will happen? Can you tell me the possible ways, possibilities when we are throwing a dice? Yes, whenever we are throwing a dice, we'll get some numbers. Is equal chance of getting, someone will get 1, sometimes we get 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And luckily, sometime only we'll get a number 6. So this is what? The chance. Understood what is the chance? Chance is the occurrence of the event. What is the event? Any function, any program, any kind of situation, right? We are taking any example is in the absence of any obvious intention or cause, or simply we can say that the possibility of something is going to happen. Something is happening is nothing but chance. Alright, like that we have some examples in our textbook also, right? In the textbook they have given one example, that throwing a coin, or sorry, throwing a dice and toss a coin. What is the toss a coin? That also we are going to discuss here. Okay. Another example, while playing a ludo or a snake and ladder, you may have often wished that in the throw you get a particular outcome, right? So have you enjoyed this game? Yes, here we are normally throwing a dice. And suppose I am on number 57 and on the number 57, sorry, I am on number 56 and on the 57 number there is one ladder. Okay, so what we wish, please God, we want 1 mark whenever we are throwing a dice, right? So maybe, so this is what your chance when you are throwing. If you will get 1 marks, 1 score, then you will go up high directly. But if you got a 2, then what will happen? The snake will eat you and you will go down, right? So these are the example of chances. Understood everyone? Right? We'll discuss one example also. Okay? Whenever we are tossing a coin, what will happen? Yes, either we will get head or either we will get tail. So this is what the chance whenever we are tossing a coin. Right? Understood about the chance? What is the chance? Chance is simply the possibility of something is happening. Okay? We are just gazing. What we can say, that the sun is going to come from the west side. It is not happening. It is not possible. Impossible it is. So it is not a chance. Okay. But we can say that today I will get a 10 out of 10 marks in the mathematics test. Right. So the possible things, something is happening. This is the possibility is called as a chance. Understood, my dear students? Okay, so now we will come to the last point of this chapter, that is probability. So what is mean by probability? We'll take again examples, right? Today it will rain probably, right? Sometimes we used to, most of the time we use such types of sentences. Probably today it will heavily rain, right? Or we can say that most probably I will go for shopping tomorrow. Here also what we are going to discuss? Probability. Okay. Now after that, probability means what? Is the simply how likely something is to be happen. It is a measure of uncertainty of an event. Understood what is the probability? Is a simply how likely something is to be happen. Right? So now we are going to discuss about how to find out the probability. Probability means what? Or how to find out the probability of an object or of an example. We'll take one example. When we pick a card from a deck, there are how many outcomes will be there from the card whenever we are picking a card? Yes, 52. Why? Because total number of cards are 52. Right? Suppose I want to find out the probability of this card, of having king, heart, king, or queen, heart, queen, right? So what will be the probability? How many heart kings are there, cards are there in that, the set of cards? Yes, only one. So what is the probability of that card? 1 divided by 52, right? Also we will discuss about whenever we are tossing a coin, what will happen? There will be either 2 ways. You can get a tail or head. So what will be the probability? Yes, that we are going to discuss now. So what is the formula of the probability? Number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes, right? So what is that? Whenever we are throwing dice, the possibility of getting either of 1, 2, 3, 4 or 6, right? So that is for dice there are 6 equally likely possible outcomes, right? This word is dice, okay my dear students, not die. So we say that each of the, for each number, for number 4, what will be the probability of number 4? The 4 will come only on a one's time, right? So what is the probability of 4? 1 divided by 6, because total numbers are 6. What will be the probability of number 2? Yes, 1 divided by 6, because number 2 will come and only one time, right? Like that, we will find out the probability of coin also, right? So can you tell me what is the probability of getting a head or a tail from a toss of coin? Yes, very nice. The probability of head is 1 by 2 and the probability of tail is also 1 by 2. How it will happen? Whenever we are tossing a coin, either it will come head or either it will come tail. So what is the probability of that? Tossing coin is 1 by 2. Okay. Now we are going to discuss one more example. That is last example. A dice throw once. The probability of getting a number which is greater than 3. So here we are not having, here we don't have to find out the probability of each number. We have to find out the probability which is greater than 3. So what will be the answer? Yes, my dear students, just think about it. 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 or 2 by 3. Can you find out? Yes, very good. 1 by 2. How? Yes, the number on the dice which are greater than 3 are 4, 5 and 6. So using the probability formula, we will get the answer. Total number which are greater than 3 are 1, 2 and 3. So 3 divided by total number on the dice are 6. So 3 by 6 is nothing but 1 by 2. So what is the answer? Option number A. So my dear students, understood how to find out the probability of a given examples? Yes. So my dear students, today we will stop over here. Here your chapter number 3 is finished. After watching this session, just try to solve exercise 3.4. Still, if you have any doubt regarding chance and probability, in tomorrow's live session, we will going to discuss on the same topic and we are also going to discuss about the exercise 3.4. But at least try to complete your exercise. Right, my dear students? Thank you everyone.